Guys, welcome back in your own YouTube channel Tech Forest. My name is Bhavesh, a trainer for your entire Sophos educational series. Purpose of this video is to tell you how I'm planning to proceed this video series, means what would be the next video and how we will choose the topic. Apart from this, I'll share prerequisite with you. Prerequisite means the thing you must know, like you are watching a firewall video series, so you must have a knowledge about basic networking, like what is LAN, what is WAN, what is IP, and what is subnetting, so that if you perform a practicals, you will have complete information about what exactly we are doing. Okay, so apart from this, as you can see on a screen, Oracle VM box is open, and in a last video we have set up a firewall in our own laptop. I have two more firewall console. As you can see, this is a demo profile. I hope you watched day one video in which I shared with you that how you can create a demo profile. And this is my physical firewall. This is fixed in one of my client location. We will use all the three firewall according to our requirement, according to our practicals, because this is physical machine. Here we can check live logs, all the hosts which are connected right now, and the internet consumption. So many other thing we can see in a live firewall. So let's come into the point that firstly I decided to create a video according to the sequence of the topic, like control center, current activity, and so on. But it will create some issue for you, because let's take an example. If we go and select this topic, rule and policy, in which we create a firewall rule, right? And once we will start this topic, we must have knowledge of this web server, because once we create a firewall rule, we must apply a web filtering policy as well. So if you don't have the web filtering knowledge, so you cannot completely create a firewall rule. So we cannot go for sequence wise. I'll cover all the points according to the importance of the topic, and after completing all important topics, we will go through all the point one by one, and we will see what we have covered and what is pending, so that we can also cover all the pending points. And I assure you that I'll give my best to guide you in a simplest way, so that you can understand very easily. So if you have any concern, like if you need some more clarification on specific topic, you can comment on a video session. I'll try to upload one more video on the same topic on a deep dive discussion. So see you in a next video with one of interesting topic. I hope you have subscribed this channel so that you can get a notification on your YouTube or in your email ID once we'll upload new videos. So take care. Bye bye.